In the world of high-end horology, there is a line that most brands are afraid to cross. It's the line between the timeless soul of a mechanical Swiss watch and the relentless, cold pace of Silicon Valley technology. For decades, traditionalists said it couldn't be done. They said a smartwatch would always be a disposable toy, a piece of plastic and glass destined for a junk drawer in 2 years. But then, TAG Heuer decided to stop listening to the critics. They decided to build something that shouldn't exist. Today, we are tearing into the heart of the TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5. This isn't just a smartwatch. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the moment the Swiss watch industry officially stopped defending the past and started colonizing the future. This is a machine built for the person who demands the prestige of a luxury timepiece but lives a life that moves at the speed of light. If you are watching this in the United States, you know that the luxury market is changing. In places like Silicon Valley, New York, and Miami, the status symbol isn't just a gold watch that tells the time. It's a piece of high-performance engineering that enhances your life. The Calibre E5 is TAG Heuer's masterpiece. It is the fifth generation of a revolution that started in 2015, and with this iteration, they have finally achieved the impossible. A digital watch that feels like it has a soul. When you strap this onto your wrist, the weight is the first thing that hits you. It's grade 2 titanium. It's light enough for a marathon, but heavy enough to remind you that you are wearing a $1,000 piece of Swiss heritage. But why are we talking about the E5 now? Because the E in E5 stands for evolution, and this year, the jump is massive. We are looking at a brand new, custom-designed processor that was built in direct collaboration with Intel and Google, but tuned specifically for the TAG Heuer experience. This isn't a generic chip found in a $100 fitness tracker. This is a high-throughput engine designed to drive a 1,400 nit sapphire-protected OLED display. Imagine standing on a golf course under the blazing Texas sun or skiing in the high-contrast snow of Aspen. Most smartwatches wash out. The E5 glows. It cuts through the glare with a clarity that makes the digital watch face look like physical metal and paint. Let's talk about the Calibre designation. In the world of TAG Heuer, Calibre is a sacred word. It's usually reserved for their legendary mechanical movements, the 16, the 17, the Heuer 02. By naming this the E5, TAG is making a bold claim. The electronics inside this watch are just as much a movement as any balance wheel or hairspring. They've integrated a dual-frequency GPS system that is so accurate it can track your movement down to the centimeter. Whether you're navigating the urban canyons of Manhattan or trailing through the Rockies, the E5 doesn't lose its lock. It is a precision instrument in every sense of the word. But the real reason the American audience is flocking to the E5 isn't just the specs, it's the modular life cycle. TAG Heuer has solved the biggest problem in the smartwatch world, obsolescence. When you buy a typical smartwatch, it's dead in 3 years. With the E5 program, TAG Heuer offers a trade-in and upgrade path that is unprecedented. They have designed the lugs and the strap system to be timeless. 5 years from now, you can bring your E5 into a boutique and have the brain swapped or upgraded while keeping the beautiful titanium chassis. It's a luxury investment that actually evolves. It's a watch that grows with you. Now, look at the design language. The E5 takes its cues from the legendary Carrera. The faceted lug